Hey, it's Jbird.
And Producer Dennys.
And this week's mystery sound, I'm going to be waxing off Producer Dennys' neck beard.
Ugh. Make sure you stroke it.
That feel good?
Feels real nice.
Ready?
Alright,
Yeah, 3. Wax on everything. 2, 1.
Oh, how much came off?
Nothing.
Oh, my face hurts so.
3, 2, 1.
Did any hair come off?
2 pieces. Oh no! I'm not doing it right.
Oh, it hurts so bad.
I'm so sorry. Okay, so I just had to reheat the wax because it wasn't hot enough. I'm sorry.
Alright.
We have to go to the other side of his neck because this side's a little tender. So let me get this side. Oh, hold on.
Stroke it hard, man, with the grain.
What does it mean?
With the grain of the hair.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
3, 2. All right. Oh!
Oh, that hurt really bad.